If you have been following me for a while, you may know that I often mention soft skills. What you may not know is that I actually run the Soft Skills Academy. What is it? Well, it's hard for me to describe it because it really gives you a lot, but we could compare it to a gym for your soft skills. And what does it include? As for every gym, it includes a lot of perks. On one side, you can come once a week to a session that we hold on Zoom, where you learn more about a soft skill that is important in our life. Every month we tackle a new cycle for 4 weeks. So some of the previous ones, for example, have been discipline, abundance, time management, communication, teamwork, empathy, emotional management. So there's a lot of different topics that we need to master in order to really be successful in life. Every month you also set a goal for yourself in your life, because I don't want this to be a place where you go as a spectator, listen to me talking and hope that some knowledge will be imparted to you. No, what I want is that month by month by month, your life changes and progresses in the direction that you want. That's why every month you will set a goal for yourself in your life, and you will have a mentor, an SSA mentor, that will help you to get there and achieve it by meeting you once a week and checking how things are going. You also have the possibility to connect with a lot of people that are working as you are towards their goals, towards improving their life, towards becoming better. And every week you will have the chance to connect with one different person in order to expand your network. The goal of the Soft Skills Academy is to provide you with the knowledge that you need, but to make sure that you apply it and put it in practice. So like for a real gym, we work out during the sessions, but then the real place where you see the fruits of your workout is your life. If you feel that this is something that could help you to improve your life and that you would like to experience firsthand, I want to give you the possibility to attend one session for free. All you need to do is to click on the link below to have all the information and choose the date that suits you best. I look forward to seeing you there and get to work out on our soft skills together.